Working with pipe wrenches in wet conditions requires extra care to prevent slippage, corrosion, and potential accidents. First, ensure the wrench's jaws and handles are clean and dry before use. Moisture on the tool can cause slipping, reducing your control over the wrench. If possible, use anti-slip gloves to improve grip when working in wet environments. When working with wet pipes, be cautious about excessive force. The added moisture can make pipes slippery, which increases the risk of damaging the pipe or the tool. To avoid this, apply gradual pressure and check the grip frequently. Consider using a larger wrench if extra torque is required, as it can help maintain control over the pipe. In wet conditions, rust is a concern for both the wrench and the pipe. Regularly inspect the pipe wrench for rust and use an appropriate lubricant to protect both the tool and the pipes. After finishing your work, dry the wrench thoroughly and store it in a dry place to avoid long-term damage. If you're working in outdoor environments or where water pools, be cautious of the surface underfoot. Water can make surfaces slippery, so make sure you have a stable, non-slip footing to avoid losing balance while applying force with the wrench.